Dr. Daniel and I have worked together for probably 10 years. I've always referred to their office here since 1985. My extraction cases, my implant cases. Dr. Daniel is a very nice guy. He's funny. I think he puts the patients at ease. The staff has been great. They're always accommodating on the phone. They're always helpful, friendly. I've always had confidence in sending my patients to Dr. Daniel because I know he's going to treat my patients how I'd like to have my patients treated. And he does that. I think he's an extension of our office.